What's up, XRP holder? Congratulations, my brother. All holders were asking me to win and win and win. XRP will pump up. So today, my friend, as you can see here live on the screen, this is live chart, my friend. You can see here September 27, 2021, 9:27. You can see here this time, and 5.36% they will get a profit in the morning, my brother. But definitely, all coin was moving upward when a holder are starting investing. So therefore, my friend, and one reason, my friend, more which I found they were fails down in the previous days, my friend, after a very long research. So therefore I will explain, my friend. And last days, my friends, the holder are starting investing very highly, but my friend, you can see especially short term investor, they are starting selling. So therefore the coins were fails down. But after a dump, absolutely everybody knows this, to every coin will pumps up. So therefore, my friend, you can see here after a very huge pump, my friend, after a very huge dump, my friend, this coin will pumps up. So congratulations, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming days absolutely the XRP price were more increasing. But that's all need to if you are invest and if you are hold. Just and only, my friend, I will tell you to, you will need, my friends, to 3 to 4 days you will need to wait, and I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, today will give you a very good profit. So why you are miss this chance, my brother? Definitely, if you want to get a profit in a very short time, so now don't miss this chance, take a risk and get 100% profit. Absolutely, my friend, you can see here the price is very cheap now. This time you can see here 0.979 USD dollar, my friend. This is the highest price, and the current price is also very badly faced down, but they will get a 5% profit. So I hope at the midnight, my friends, they will easily hit now 10% profit. So if they just only give you a 10% profit, remember to XRP will make you millionaire now. So why you miss this chance? Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope, my friends, my opinion is please hold, but what's your opinion? This is also very important. Now share it in a comment box. To all viewers, please try to understand to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type urgent and updates videos.